to Mala Making 101. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a mala, and I'm laying like this so that I can show you, from this view how you make it. I'm remaking this video also because I watched it finally after a lot of other people had watched it and there was a lot going on and I didn't like how I recorded it, so I'm remaking it. So let's get started. The materials you will need for making a mala, if you're making it my way, include fishing line. I personally use 12-pound test weight, and then you are going to need a lighter, you are going to need a ruler, you are going to need scissors and a bowl. You are going to need 108 beads, and with the beads you can use anything. The more common shape is round, but the beads that I'm going to be using aren't round, they're kind of flat, circular. And then you're going to need a guru bead. Traditionally a guru bead is a bead that has 3 holes. These are really hard to find, so you can use anything. For a guru bead it just has to be bigger. This one is actually kind of like oval shaped, but you can use a bigger bead. Say for an example, if you were to use 8mm round beads, you could use a 10mm round bead, and that would be your guru bead. And then to make your own tassel, you are going to need embroidery floss. I, however, searching my house, could not find embroidery floss, but with making this mala, I had already made a tassel. And you can use pre-made tassels. I personally like making my own tassels. And like I said before, I was going to make a video on how to make your own tassel and attach it, but I couldn't find any embroidery floss. But if you want to learn how to make a tassel, I can either make one later, like a video on it later, or you can just Google, making a tassel, and there's many different ways of doing it. But here is my tassel that I made for this particular mala. So those are all the materials you are going to need, and then we will start making a mala.